Hi, good afternoon. I'm teacher Jaime. I'm from Colombia, and this video is not only for adults but also for children. So today I want to talk about how to use me too or so do I. So what you have to do is to be careful to what the other person is saying. So in this case, I can identify that the other person is using simple present. And for this sentence, I'm using verb to be. For this one, I'm using the modal can. For this one, I'm also using present progressive and the verb to be. And for this one, I'm using the word would or the modal would. For this one, I'm using the verb to be, is. And for the last one, I'm using present perfect. So when I say the first sentence, I like bandeja paisa, you can say either me too or so do I. Why are we using do? Because do is the auxiliary for simple present and is the auxiliary for this pronoun. Okay? Let's check the second one. I'm saying I'm sad. You can say either me too or so am I. And why are we using am? Because this is the verb to be for the pronoun I. Then we have the other sentence. I can play tennis. So in this opportunity, I'm using a modal can. So you can say either me too, right here, or so can I. You have to use the same modal that I used in my sentence. After that, we have I'm going home. You can say me too, or you can say so am I. And you have to use am because this is the verb to be that I used in my previous sentence. The next one is I would like to travel. In this sentence, I'm using the word would or the modal would. It means that you also have to use the same modal. So would I. After that, I have the verb to be once again. Peter is excited. You can say me too, or you can say so am I, or so is Juan if you are talking about other person. But in both cases, you have to use the verb to be. And we have the last one. I've been to Chile. You can say either me too or so have I. Why are we using have? Because have is the auxiliary for present perfect. So it is the way that you have to learn in order to use me too or so do I. If you have any questions, please write a comment or ask your question. Thank you for watching and goodbye.